Hey all, happy Monday. So I wanted to go over a few things. For starters, just to discuss um, the plugin assignments this week. Um, these weren't as great as you guys have been doing. I have a list here of the folks that I think did really good job here: Gabriel, Samantha, Lemuel, and Meredith. A quick comment on these, and that's to say, I know it's very tempting to wait until Sunday to do all your work. And by all means, if you work all week and you start this in the morning, then maybe that's a great strategy. Or if you're just trying to get a B or C in this course, also could be a good strategy. But if you're not putting the effort in and giving me thoughtful answers, you're not going to get full credit on these. But my classes are structured in such a way that if you are willing to put in the effort, you will do well. So there is that. I wanted to chat with you guys about your midterm project, which is due in a couple weeks. I'm going to post these instructions and also this video. So essentially, what is your midterm project? So again, another thing I like to do is reward people who have put in the time. So here, and I'll get to that. Well, I guess I'll say that right now. So if you did earn full credit on all of your plugin exercises, which is what the midterm project is in reference to, then you simply shoot me an email attesting to that, and you will automatically receive 100. If you did not receive full credit on those, and here's what the midterm project is: pick any 2 chapter plugin exercises that you did not receive full credit on from chapters 1 through 6, and redo them based on the feedback I provided. See the Canvas homepage. So right now you have access to all of these video recordings, all of my comments, even individuals who I've pointed to each week that have done a good job. So you need to go back through, pick 2 chapter exercises. So I'm going to speak more about that in a second, and then email them to me by the midterm project due date, which is March 17th, which is in fact a Sunday. So I will need those at 6 p.m. on Sunday, March 17th. You can do those as early as you want to get them out of the way, and then you will just, okay, let me just back up. When I say get them out of the way, like a thoughtful time and energy was put into these when you send them to me. Or you will not, given the fact that I'm giving you examples of what good work means, and a lot of time to do this, to earn the 7 points or 7% of your grade, which is almost 10%, so almost a tenth, these do need to be done well. So 2 plugin chapter exercises. Now, how this can possibly get a little confusing, and let's go to the syllabus. So when I say a chapter, I mean if you did not, because these are graded together, you're not going to know. Well, you might have a good an idea of which one you didn't do as good on, but if you did not earn full credit for, let's say, chapter 1, then you need to give me both the inform and connect. The only one that you could redo by itself if you didn't earn full credit is probably chapter 4. Yeah, I think all the others had. So chapter 4, which is a connected, you would only need to give me 1. But you need to provide me 2 chapters. So you can pick whichever ones kind of interest you. If you didn't earn full credit on all of them, and you pick 2 of the chapters which interested you the most, and redo the chapters. They're not the individual plugin exercises, but the plugin exercises from the chapters. I repeat, you have to give me 2 chapters of plugin exercises if you did not earn full credit on. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know and we can chat about this. I hope you guys had a great week. I hope this relieves some stress from folks. I try to make all work in this class applicable and something that will attribute to or contribute to long-term knowledge, not just silly test. Okay, folks, let me know if you have questions. Have a great week. Bye-bye.